In this video, I'll be talking about while loop and do while loop in JavaScript. So hello everyone, I am Akash, you're watching mrabouttech, and without any further ado, let's get started. So what is a while loop? So while loop is a kind of loop in which you have a condition specified and it is going to execute a set of statements till that condition is true. So let's see a basic example of what a while loop looks like in JavaScript. So I'll have a variable here with the value 1 and I'll write while, and here we have to specify a condition. So I'm going to have this loop till the value of 1 is equal to 10, and what I'm going to write inside is a simple console log for a. Now one more thing that we have to do is we have to increment the value of a, because if we don't do that, then this condition will be always true and this is going to go into an infinite loop. So we don't want that, and that's why we have to increment this value of a. Now let's save it. Okay, so now let's see the output for this. So as you can see here that we have the numbers printing from 1 to 9. So now this condition is getting false as soon as the value of a is equal to 10. So if I write less than or equal to, then it is going to include the 10 as well. So this is how you write a while loop in JavaScript. Okay, now there is another variant of while loop, that is the do while loop. Now how this do while loop is different from while loop. So in while loop, the condition is checked first and then after the statements inside of this while block are executed. But in do while loop, the execution is done at least once before the condition is checked. So let me explain it to you by giving you an example. So let's copy this loop and let's have another while loop, and I'm going to change this value to 10. And now if you see the output, then as you can see we are not getting any output because this while loop is checking the value of variable a, which is 10, and so this while condition is false, so it is not going to execute any of the lines that are there in this while loop. Now let's specify a do while loop. So in do while loop, we have to write the statements in this do block. So I'm just going to copy the same statements and we'll write the while condition here, a less than 10. So now if you check the output, then as you can see we are getting the value 10 printed here. So this is how the do while loop works. So it is going to execute the statements first before checking the condition. So in some cases you might want the statements to be executed first for at least once before the condition is checked. Then in those cases you can use the do while loop. So these were the two different while loops in JavaScript. So I guess that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.